Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings because font changes apply system-wide. Tap Display, then Styles and Wallpapers to reach text options. This is faster than digging through menus. Once there, choose Fonts to see built-in options and any imported packs. Make sure you have a downloaded font file if you plan a custom install, because you'll import it next. While you're here, note font size and display scaling controls so you can adjust legibility after switching fonts. Now you'll pick or add the font itself. Browse the built-in font list and tap a preview to apply immediately. That shows how your UI text will change. If you want a custom font, use a trusted font installer app or import an OTF/TTF file via Files, then choose it in Styles and Wallpapers. Once selected, adjust weight and size sliders to balance style and readability. Make sure to review several screens, apps, and notifications. Finish by tapping Apply or Save so the system commits the new font. Once done, check Common Apps and the lock screen to confirm consistency. Some apps may cache fonts and need a restart. If text looks broken, reboot the Pixel 7a to clear the cache and force system-wide rendering. If problems persist, go back to Styles and Wallpapers, remove the custom font, and restore the default. This resolves most compatibility issues and prevents character display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.